Hey guys, if you have a Toyota Corolla or any other car, most problem for this car is the bumper always go down because of this plastic, they go bad. So what I did for this one, so I put zip tied here and zip tied on the top. So now just you have to put the bumper back to its place to the slice, and you push it back and never gonna have a problem anymore. Or you can change the whole piece. But for this one, then you never gonna be have problem in the future because now it's stuck, never gonna be moved back to its place. So what we're gonna do now, just trying to adjust the bumper and put it to the slice in the place. That do it. Here we go, guys. After I did it, everything go to normal. So you go nowhere, it's stuck. So it cost me only like 2 zip ties, even not 50 cents. So guys, I did zip tie from this side. I fixed underneath of the skip lay and this side too. The same trick I did for this side, I did for the other sides, because the problem every time you park, the bumper go damaged. If you can see like that, they got damaged. So this is how you can fix it, guys. Really easy to fix.